In this video, I am going to show you how to easily set a default printer in Windows 11 computer, step by step. To set a default printer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Here you will find Printers and Scanners. Click on Printers and Scanners. You will find here your available printers. Go to a printer, but you will not find any option to set default printer. Go back again, scroll down. Under Printer Preferences, you will find Let Windows manage my default printer. Turn off this option, and now you will find a printer is set as default. If you wish, you can set another printer as default printer. I am going to my SP printer. Click on the printer, and here you will find a button Set as Default. Click on Set as Default. Now the printer status is default. That's it. This is the easiest way to set a printer as default on Windows 11 computer.